For some.
You cannot see sure because the mountain is bigger.
Ah, okay. We can see Balamban. The view is really mountain.
Yeah, really
Alright.
mountain.
Nice, no? I think we dropped some treasures there after the World War II.
Nicole also can.
Guys, with Mon Poverty in-house team,
Hello.
in-house sellers, and Miss Pats here, the broker coordinator, right?
Broker manager sa Manila.
For Manila.
Yes.
Okay. And
Manila
I'm
based.
yes, I will be starring in a Bajau film. Guys, introducing you them one by one. I'm Ray, Ravy, and Angel. Kapangalan ng engineer brother ko, and kapangalan din ng wife ng engineer brother ko, si Hannah. What a small world, guys.
The floor plan for 3-bedroom villa
16
in our
oh.
room.
Alright, next. And the toilet. Katong gigamit ron.
Powder room.
A powder room katong gigamit is later. Nani siya sa soda.
So that's for common use.
And this is
This is the wet kitchen.
a pantry, something like a pantry. This is the
Our
kitchen
short
area.
kitchen. So the pretty kitchen.
Dining area, living area. Then this is
Outdoor area.
the balcony. You call it the balcony or outdoor area?
We just call it the outdoor.
And then going back is bedroom, the master's
Master's bedroom.
and the master's
This
toilet
is
and
a-
bath.
Yes.
Separate siya.
So walk-in closet.
Ah, closet and then the master's toilet and bath with
This and ours.
Wait, bathtub.
okay, bathtub, and then
Over here.
going out. This one is second.
Sige, this one here. This room.
All right, where we are now. So sige, and then naa siya own toilet niya po no.
Yes, sir.
And then going out is the third
The third.
for the kids
Yes, sir.
or maid's quarter wala.
Yes.
This
over
one, sir.
here is your
Ah, here.
utilities
So
room.
parang
You can-
yeah, parang 4-bedroom siya. All right, thank you, Hannah.